Hello everyone and welcome to the Crypto Session Brief. We're on Wednesday the 8th of June 2022. Looking across the crypto markets so far today, they all are pointing south. And once again, looking to retest some of the range lows. The only market which is just trading above its range lows, and in fact has put in a few higher lows since the low from late May, is Ripple here. Whereas here on Bitcoin, you can see down on the day, down yesterday, and Ethereum in particular looking really heavy now. Around that 1700 handle. If we just go on to Ethereum for a second, you can see series of lower highs being put in here, looking to test this big 1700 handle. We've seen a bounce off there the past two times we were there. In fact, yesterday trading just above there, 1722, and we saw another bounce, but just starting to look a bit heavy now, especially with that series of lower highs being printed. So just watch out if we do see some momentum to the downside, potentially a leg lower in equities, particularly watch the Nasdaq. We could see a move through 1700 and down to retest 15500. That's 1550, sorry, not 15500. Bitcoin 30,000. So we are trading above the key psychological handle of 30, but there's been a lot of mean reversion around this handle recently. In fact, we were trading there all the way back here, which was at the start of May. So now we've spent a month basically pretty much trading at the same price. So that 30,000 pretty much proving to be a magnet. Anytime we've been above, faded back into it. Anytime we're trading around it, it's just about holding. So there's clearly some support here. But if this area goes, then expect us to retest these the range lows basically, which come down at around 28,000 and then the 27,000 handle from there. Mention Ripple, so let's wrap up on Litecoin, which is currently trading at around 62. Again, like Ethereum, looking pretty heavy on its range lows already. You can see Bitcoin trading well above them and also Ripple, but both Ethereum and Litecoin could be leading the way to the downside, and that could see a break down through these levels here at 60.55 and a move down into 50 could be on the cards, especially if we see a strong daily close below these areas. That's pretty much it from my end. If there's anything else from your end, please let me know inside the chat room. Until next time, all the best with your trade.